Hi everyone, if you are in or near retirement and you're tired of YouTube finance guru screaming about overnight riches, this channel here is for you. Hi, my name is David. I'm a retired trader and I've been trading options for more than 10 years. Not for thrill, but for income. Real consistent income from my portfolio. And I started this channel because almost nobody on YouTube is teaching options the way people in the retirement actually want to hear. In this channel here, I will share real trades like credit spread on SPY and QQQ, cash secure put on quality stock under $50, so you can start with a minimum account, and selective LEAPS position, so you will see the win and the losses with the actual reasoning. No hype, no screenshot of fake profit and loss, just one experienced trader showing you what's working and what isn't. What you won't find here is 0 day expiration for day trader, get rich quick promises, or financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor, so this is for education from someone who actually doing it. If that sounds like the channel you've been looking for, then please hit subscribe. New video come out every Tuesday and Friday. So I'll see you in the next one.